Hi, my name is Salman, and my group worked on the sustainability project. So first of all, we made this opening GUI where we can select 3 different cities: Los Angeles, San Francisco, New York.
Hi, my name is Chong. I'm in ENG6 and this is our final project. Here is our opening figure. We have 3 cities here. You can select, let's just say San Francisco. It will open up the San Francisco GUI with the picture, and on the right we have the solar panels, we have the wind turbine below it, and we have color coordination with the total by denomination on the right. And this allows us to click on, let's just say, a solar panel, put it on anywhere in the grid, and it will show up with the total denomination and the total cost. We have a function that allows you to interchange between 2 other cities. This will allow me to go to the New York GUI, and this clicking back on San Francisco will allow me to go back to it. One function that we have is if you click on a button multiple times, it will allow you to click multiple points on the grid.
Hey, I'm Michael Mata. I'm the other group partner, and this is our GUI. Here I'm looking at a little portion of LA. This is actually in Compton. A couple of features that we added onto this GUI is that we actually have a little series of instructions here just to help our users out. Another thing that we find very valuable is that you can actually click here to save your photo, and you can click here to save this whole grid as a matrix where each one of these color codes is a different number. And as you can see, once it saves, it takes a moment to save, I won't lie, but if you look here, you get a little prompt that tells you. And another very nice feature is we also have a thing that allows you to save the bill of materials, which essentially is all these totals by denomination all added up together. And once you have all that saved up, you can always come back around over here. Wait 1 second, the bill of materials just finished saving. And you can click here, and you can open up the picture and see the work that you've done. That, or if you come over here and open the text file, you'll get this grid as I showed you in a giant matrix. Right now it's a lot of zeros because we really only colored in a couple squares. And oh, we don't want that open. But if you click bill of materials, then your bill of materials opens up, and that shows you the different colors, the different the different panels that you selected. And we actually didn't select any turbines, but it tells you the total cost of your solar panels and your wind generators in this little portion right here. If you click a solar panel, you can come in and you can color code one of these squares, and if you click it multiple times, then you can color in multiple squares at once, and you can color them different colors. And as you see, as you go filling in, your solar power totals end up adding up. Same thing with wind. As you fill things in, wind stuff comes in, and this right here tells you how much power is being generated by your solar panels. This right here is telling you how much power is being generated by the wind panels, and this here is the total cost of your project. Now, as I mentioned earlier, you can actually work with 3 different cities at once. The other cities that we have are New York, and you can access them quite easily right here. Or you can also work in San Francisco. But let's go back to LA, and as you can see, it still keeps track of the total by denomination. A couple things that are nice about this, or actually one of the tasks that we had some issues completing was the clear function. But one thing that we did incorporate is this nice little exit window, which allows you to clear out of everything. One of the things that you might be interested in seeing is how we evaluated the totals for our wind and solar total. You can see that in this part of the code right here. We used a quick if and for and a nested loop inside of it. It's pretty standard. These blue things are our global variables. And it's just saying that from those buttons that you saw on the right-hand side that had our turbines, if you're within the first 10, then it adds that up to the solar power, and else, meaning if you're not within those 10, it adds into the wind power. And that's most of what you have to see for our deal. Yeah, I think that's it.